Welcome to Braylen AV. Today we're looking at Millionaire Habits. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Number 1, they focus and create a clear vision. Draw a precise vision of the life you desire and focus on it. Rich people take more than just the present into account. They also consider what the future might hold. In order to do this, goals that may last for years must be set. The wider your thoughts, plans and actions can be projected, the wealthier you will become. Number 2, millionaires stick to a schedule. If a person uses a calendar and to-do list regularly, their chances of becoming a millionaire improve by almost 3 times. Most of today's top entrepreneurs schedule both professional and social engagements on their calendars in order to get everything done. They attain the best work-life balance possible as a result. Number 3, they practice discipline. Millionaires are highly disciplined people. They have self-control to work hard and wisely. They are able to focus on a subject and develop helpful solutions to achieve their goals, without veering off in an arbitrary direction. Number 4, they're not easily satisfied. Wealthier people tend to have a stronger desire to improve their financial situation than others. They stand out from the rest of society, and have a strong attachment to their position. A person's status among the elites is cemented by accruing wealth, which sets off a cycle where they continually seek for more money. Number 5, millionaires like to exercise. Working out boosts output. You may achieve twice as much in a day by maintaining your fitness. Keeping a healthy weight enhances life expectancy, and exercising releases endorphins that encourages feelings of happiness and optimism. Number 6, they figure out where and when they're wasting money. The wealthy practice discipline when it comes to spending. Even though they enjoy some of life's finer pleasures, they often do not spend excessively. Millionaires became wealthy by consistently making prudent financial decisions. Number 7, the wealthy focus on compounding. 2 of the most influential concepts in the world of investing are compound interest. The power of compound interest will work in your favor. Like a snowball, your wealth can compound and grow. Number 8, investing. By regularly setting away money from their checking accounts via direct deposit. Millionaires are able to freely spend because they are confident that their short and long-term financial objectives are being reached. You must know and investigate any place you plan to put your money. Number 9, millionaires usually look their best. Long before they ever use your services, or make an investment with you, people buy into the image you project. The clothes you wear when you first meet someone conveys a message. Dressing up gives people the idea that they are important, which they are. Number 10, look for more opportunity. You have the ability to reach and exceed expectations. Waiting for things to change won't bring you what you want. Possibilities will seem more attainable if you weigh your opportunities. Number 11, money management. Millionaires continue to sustain a lifetime of wise financial planning. They understand the big difference a focused effort can make in their long-term earnings. They invest time and energy into growing both their skills and their incomes as a result. Number 12, networking. Rich people are good at using their networks for success, whether through company or an investment opportunity. Think about how you can utilize your network to the fullest. Millionaires can launch a lucrative business after years of hard work and good habits. Establishing solid financial base early on can be helpful as you make choices about how to spend, save, and invest your money. You come one step closer to obtaining $1 million with every cent you keep. Thank you for watching. We hope you received value. Feel free to watch these next 2 videos.